In this video, we will show you how to open BIOS on Windows 11 operating system. To open BIOS on Windows 11 actually is based on your PC or laptop hardware specification. In here, I'm using HP laptop brand. To open BIOS on my HP laptop is needed to restart our Windows 11 operating system. Then we continue to press escape button in here. Pressing escape button will show the menu for open BIOS. You can see there is F10 button. Maybe on your laptop is not F10 button. The button is usually used to open BIOS is first escape, second is F1, third is F2, and the last is F10. So you can try the button escape or F1 or F2 or F10. That all the list is usually used to open BIOS on PC or laptop. Hope this video helpful for you.